Hello there, my name is Luciano Oliveira. I am a Brazilian attorney. I'm here in Rio de Janeiro, and today we're going to be talking about how to negotiate property transactions in Rio de Janeiro. So the idea is you want to buy a property and you're looking around, you see different prices. How do you negotiate the pricing? The negotiation could be done directly with a seller, but most of the time you're going to be communicating through realtors, and you're going to see a price list. It is important that you see the price list because then you know that the price that is being shared with you is the same price that's being shared with Brazilians. If you're just being told the price, you don't know if this price is being inflated. That's the gringo effect, right? Like you have a strong currency, you have a higher purchase power, but you don't want to be penalized by that. So make sure there is a listing somewhere where you can see the price and make sure that the price that they are charging you is the same price being charged to Brazilians. Make sure to see the listing. That's the first tip. A second tip, customarily, there is always a break in terms of price. So sellers, when they are listing the property, they are going to bump up the price a bit. So don't be afraid for asking a discount. Maybe you really like the property, maybe the price is just right, maybe you have the cash available, but don't be afraid of asking for a price break. In our experience, price breaks of 5 to 7%, they are customary. Sometimes we see clients asking, can I offer like 20% less? And we say this is not like customary and could actually offend the seller, and it could jeopardize the entire transaction. So our recommendation is, if you really like the property, if you're ready to make an offer, you could offer probably 90% of the asking price. That's a good rule of thumb. Another thing important for you to consider is sellers are going to usually resist. They're going to, of course, try to get most of the price, particularly when they know it is a foreign citizen who's on the other side. So if they say no, you may pretend you are walking away. You can tell to the realtor, oh, that's unfortunate, maybe we should look for other properties. See that the language is like, oh, maybe I should see other properties. And then you could interrupt the negotiation for a few days, and most probably the seller is going to come back and say, you know what, you win, you're going to get the break. But there is it's almost like a game, is almost like a dance. You need to understand the rhythm, and you may be, of course, willing to walk away if there is no break at all, because again, that's actually customary in the Brazilian market. It's pretty rare for sellers, to say, oh, price is firm from the get-go. They always bump the price up a bit just because they know, Brazilians in particular, they are gonna invariably ask for a break in the price. And you should take advantage of that as well. I hope this was helpful. If you liked our video, follow us for more tips.